Good morning, children. How are you all, children? Everyone is good? Okay, children. So, if anybody asks you, how are you? Then what you have to say? I'm fine, thank you. Right? In this way, you will be wishing, answering, children, not wishing. You will be replying. Right? And one more thing, children. Now, if anybody asks you, what is your name? You have to reply in English, right? Do you remember, children, how to reply? Yes. My name is, what you will say? Your name you will be saying. So, for example, now I am telling my name, children. My name is Kala. Okay. So, which class are you studying? I am studying in LKG. Which class are you studying? I am studying in LKG. Okay, children. And which school, children? Otherwise, if anybody asks you, what is your school's name? My school's name is Gautam Model School. Right? In this way you will be answering. Right, children? And tell me, in the morning what did you eat, children? Morning time what we will have? Breakfast. Right? As a breakfast, what did you eat? Okay? You had chapati. Very good, children. Very good. So, how you have to reply? I had chapati. Otherwise, I ate chapati. How you will say, children? I ate chapati. Okay. So, children, yesterday it was which day, children? Yes. Yesterday it was Sunday. Right? Did you enjoy, children, Sunday? Because everybody will be staying in the house on that day. Because they have holiday on that day. On Sundays, everybody will be having holiday, right? So, children, so on that day, where do you want to go, children? All the time you will be sitting in the house? No, sometime you want to spend outside. You want to have some fun, right? So, where do you want to go? Yes, nearby park, garden, right, children? Yes. So, children, everyone open your textbook, children, term 3. Now, which is the term, children? What is the term this is? This is the third term. Okay, this is the term 3, children. Okay, so which class are you? UKG. Now, everyone open your textbook, UKG textbook, term 3. Okay, so in this page number is not given, but before page you can see, children, here it is given 7. Right? Here 7 page is given, children. Turn, everyone, children. A colorful picture you can see here. First, everyone observe the picture, children. What is going on here? Observe, everyone. Are you able to see, children? Yes, it is very colorful, children. In your textbook, these 2 pages are there, children. You can see, and we will speak about this picture, children, today. Okay, so where are all these are playing, children? Yes, they are playing in the park. Where are they playing, children? In the park. Where are they playing? In the park. So, children, here, what is this boy doing, children? He is watering the plants. What he is doing? Watering the plants. So, who watered the plants and who will take care of the plants, children, in the park? Gardener. Who will take care of the things, children? Gardener. And here, one boy is climbing steps from here and he want to play on the slide. What is this, children? Slide. So here few names are given, children. Everyone open your textbook and you can see, children. Okay. So here gardener, and here it is garden, you can see. Here plants, he is a gardener. Okay. So children, here many people are there in this picture, and some are selling the items also, food items, right children? Here a person, he is selling murmure, children. Here you can see. And what he is selling, children? Murmure. And here he is asking. Okay, so he is enjoying the murmure. And here two children or else one? No, only one child. She is making a castle and she is playing in the sand pit. What is this, children? It is full of sand, children. It is spreaded with sand in this area. It is called sand pit. What is this? Sand pit. And here the girl is playing in the sand pit. And here girl is flying a kite, children. Here you can see. Right, a girl is flying a kite, and here the boy is playing. Here two boys are playing with the frisbee, and here one person, balloon seller. Who is he, children? Balloon seller. Who is he? He is a balloon seller. And you can see, children, here a pond also, children. In this, two ducks are there, and boy, girl, and yes, one boy and girl, they are playing with these two ducks. And here, children, you can see a colorful fish, children. Is it a real one? No, it is a fountain. It has prepared with a cement and other things, children. Right? So it is a fountain. So fountain means what fountain it is? Water fountain. Right? The water is coming out from this fish mouth, children. So it is a fountain. And here this boy is skating. Here this boy is skating, and this boy is running after that boy. And here you can see two boys, one boy and one girl, and here they are just rotating that, and this girl is jumping on the rope. So what is this? Skipping rope. What is this? Skipping rope. And here grandfather sitting on the bench, and here mother is sitting on the bench. You can see a mother is sitting on the bench. And here, children, they have a small child in the pram. What is this, children? This is called pram. And here she is making the child to play with the toy. And he is a murmure boy. And he is here one girl is playing with the squirrel. One girl is playing with the squirrel. And here, children, balloon seller. And here two girls are playing with the football. And here, children, one child is sitting on the wheelchair. Right? And here one boy, he is a boy. No, he is selling kulfi. So he is a kulfi boy. So he is selling kulfi. So children are enjoying the kulfi. Children, these are all the things you can see in this picture, and you also can speak about this picture, children, with your friends or else your parents, children. Right? And when you are in the park, children, whenever you go to park, don't pluck the flowers, don't pluck the leaves, don't spoil the, what is that? Public property. So maintain discipline and maintain cleanliness, children. Right, children? So this is the park. And one more thing, children, we forgot to talk about this. What is this? Swing. one girl is swinging on the swing, children. So in this way we'll be having many things in the park, children, to enjoy. Right, children? So this is the, what is this? This is the lesson of in the park. Okay? So any doubt you can ask me, children. And one more thing, children. Everyone write 31 to 40 number names, children. I will be posting a pic, children, in the group. Everyone see and write 31 to 40 numbers, number names. Okay, so this is your today's work, children. And English textbook reading, observe the picture and speak about that. And in the maths you will be writing 31 to 40 number names. Okay, bye bye, and we'll meet in the next session.